What's happening, everyone? Hey, I just wanted to give you a quick update here on the garden and what we got going on. So we had some pretty good stuff for the last couple of days, and we're about to get a bunch of rain for probably like the next 3 or 4 days. So I wanted to get a quick video out and show you guys kind of what's going on here. So here we got some zucchinis. Those are doing really good. The cucumbers have started up as well. My watermelons, they're not doing so hot, especially that little guy right there. I don't know what he's doing, but we're getting there. I just put some fertilizer and some bone meal down. Here's the tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. We got some flowers started up there at the top, so that should be pretty fun. This little guy, I'm not sure what he's doing, but I really want that one to grow. The Candyland Reds, so the cherry tomatoes kind of grow out on a vine. These are the early girls tomatoes, full tomatoes, so these are doing pretty well too. Starting to get some flowers there, looking forward to those. These are my lettuce, the outrageous, and the flashy trout. So those are doing okay, I guess. I don't know, they're not dying, so I guess that's all right. Here's some bell peppers, some Flavor Burst bell peppers, and then I got some Kentucky Wonder pole beans. Those would be kind of like some green beans. So that's kind of what's going on. There's my herbs and my dog. Celia, get out of there. Yeah, anyway, I wanted to get a quick video out kind of showing you an update. If you're watching TV, things are going kind of crazy. Prices are going up. If certain people get reelected, taxes are going to go up, food prices, all that stuff is going to continue to go up. So start growing your own stuff. At least some veggies. Eat what you can. Make what you can. Eat what you can. Eat what you make. All that good stuff. Over the next few days, like I said, we're going to get some rainstorms and stuff like that over the next few days. So what I'm probably going to do here in the next day or two is put out a video. I'm starting to do a little prepping, putting some food together, putting some bug out bags together, stuff like that. So kind of give you an idea of what I'm doing besides the garden. You know, a lot of things out there, SHTF, that type of stuff. Just want to be ready. You know, I was talking to the wife yesterday about that kind of stuff, and she thinks I'm a little crazy, but I told her, I said, look, I just want us to be prepared and be ready for things to happen. That's all. You know, so I'm putting some bags together. I got first aid stuff in them and a little bit of food stuff in them, and things to start fire, things like that. So just in case, you know, who knows? She thinks I'm crazy, but it is what it is. We'll get there. So I may show that over the next couple of days. We'll see what happens. Hey, appreciate y'all stopping by. Check this out on Patreon and on YouTube. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for stopping by. And be good to each other.